Ciao Tesla people, there is a software update 2025.26.7. Should be a bug fixes improvements, but I think there are 3 or 4 undocumented changes that in these releases, the .26 came out, people discovered. So let's start the installation. I'm going to start right there, install now, and then you tap here so to skip 2 minutes. And this guy should start right away, okay? So let's finish the installation. I did the download tonight, so it was ready to install. Will take probably 20-30 minutes, something like that, and we'll see in a bit. For you, it's going to be 2 or 3 seconds. For me, probably 20-30 minutes, okay? So I'll see you in a bit. So I finished the installation, minor bug fixes only, there is no mention of anything else. But in the 2025.26.7 is this one, but in the .26, so the base update, there are several undocumented changes. One is, and is available for all cars, new lock alert. And Tesla added a new locking animation when you remotely lock your vehicle through the Tesla app or by walking away, and there is still someone in the vehicle with a phone. This new alert lets user inside the vehicle know that the vehicle can still be opened from the outside due to a phone key being nearby. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can test it by myself. So I'm inside the car. If I lock through the app, maybe you need 2 phones. Well, let's try. Okay. So I'm inside my car, and there should be an animation. I'm not sure what. Let's open all the way this. We'll lock the car with the app. Okay. And let's see if there is an animation or whatever, okay? Let's lock the car. Yeah, door can still be open. Phone is nearby. Okay, so it is correct. So let me take a picture of that. Nice. So there is still a message that says the doors can still be opened because the phone key is nearby, which is mine, okay? So if there is an open 2 phones or the same phone, you can still actually open the door. Is this good? I don't think so. Because if the door can still be open from outside, even if I lock the car, okay, you need to have the phone because someone can enter the car, right? But you need to have the phone. So if 2 people have access to the camera with 2 phones or with a key, they're nearby, the door is not locked to them, but it's locked to somebody else that doesn't have it. That's the idea. Okay, well, we'll see. I have a bit of then you can, of course, unlock the doors, okay? Mobile access, this is undocumented, available for all cars. Tesla mobile access option found under control safety. So if you go to control and then all the way to safety, where is it, safety, and all the way here, what is it? Allow mobile access. Now, can safely disable your vehicle from being controlled from a Tesla mobile app. So if you remove this, allow mobile access, okay, your car wouldn't be able to be controlled by the app. Yeah, can safely disable your vehicle from being controlled from Tesla mobile app. This removes the ability to control any aspect of the vehicle, including seeing the location, unlocking and starting the vehicle. Okay, to disable mobile access, whatever, you toggle that. Okay. Now, the battery health test is being removed. So in service mode, you could do a battery test where you could discharge the car all the way to 0 and then recharge. Of course, you need to have a plug in the wall, a charger, and it's been removed. Interesting. Tesla has removed the battery health test feature from many, but not all vehicles. Tesla battery health test was initially added to the service mode, but was later added to the vehicle's main menus under services, allowing more users to access. Okay, so it's been removed from, let's see if it's been removed from service, car maintenance, adjust notification. Yeah, it's been removed from here. Oh no, battery health. You can still do the test, at least for me, okay? And some people cannot access that test, okay? Okay, and then tow limit exceeded. This is for the Cybertruck. In the latest software update 2025.26, Tesla has added another new undocumented feature that helps to improve the Cybertruck utility. When towing a heavy object, you need to be sure you balance the trailer and stay within the weight limits of the vehicle. Now you can the Cybertruck can detect and warn you if the vehicle loading rating is high, okay, is exceeded. Okay, pretty cool. Car wash mode improvements, we had that. Service mode improvements, we had that. We talked about it that last time. And that's it. Oh no, Sentry mode with ambient light. Okay, so the ambient light, if you have ambient light in your car, so it's for new Model S, Model 3, new Model X, and new Model Y, and Cybertruck is undocumented. The ambient light strips inside the supported vehicle will now gently pulse red when the Sentry mode object is detected and begin recording. Okay, I don't have that, so there are 3 or 4 new undocumented change, which is pretty cool. So, very cool. It took 25 minutes, the installation. Actually, right here, I have a download. Let me check what is it. It's downloading. Gaming update. There's a gaming update too. Very cool. It doesn't, I'll show you that there is a gaming update, but it doesn't show you version or what is updated. So we don't know yet. Okay, maybe in the coming days we'll know what games has been updated and so on. And that's it. So check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code, you can get $500 or euros discount. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.